purpose of
Dr. Qamar Akhwan Gharwari ayo tahan पहिरियों दफ़ो अमेरिका आया आहियो
हाँ तमाम पहिरियों दफ़ो
कीअं लॻो
अमेरिका में ॿियो दफ़ो आई आहियां ऑलैंडो में पहिरियों दफ़ो आई आहियां
तव्हांजा माइट बि आहिनि हिते
हाँ मुंहिंजा नेफ्यूज़ एंड नीसिस आहिनि
अच्छा ऐं ॿिया केरु आहिनि
या बसि अदा पंहिंजो इक़बाल इहो भाणे जो आहे ॿियो फ्रेंड्स जेके तव्हां सां मिलिया आहियूं नवां फ्रेंड्स
डॉक्टर अमान वारा
उहो मुंहिंजा कज़िन आहे
अच्छा
अदी शमीम मुंहिंजी कज़िन आहे
त उन्हनि खे सलाम वलाम
बिल्कुलु सलाम मां हुनखे सरप्राइज़ पई ॾियणु चाहियां पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली कोन्हे हिते
अच्छा ॿियो तव्हां ॿुधायो पंहिंजे बारे में you speak Sindhi or only English?
Not at all.
You're not able to even understand Sindhi?
I can understand and I can speak a few sentences
so
here.
What do you do in UK?
I work for a bank and I'm a lawyer in a bank.
You are a lawyer?
I am.
Yeah. How long you have been a lawyer?
A lawyer or a lawyer?
Lawyer.
A lawyer since 2002. I was a barrister. And then I converted to the Law Society as a solicitor from 2005.
Okay. Your English is broken, I think.
Broken English?
Yeah. It's different.
It's more. It's less broken. It's less broken than my Sindhi, I can assure you.
Okay. How did you find this convention?
I liked it very much. I enjoyed it.
Have you seen?
I liked, in particular, I liked the archaeological seminar by Professor Paolo Biaggi, but I also enjoyed the water disputes seminar. I thought that was excellent. I learned a lot. I learned a lot about the water treaty with India and the two rivers that had been passed on to India and the huge water problem and the whole ecological problems that I think Sindh is going to face, and I think I think Middle East generally is facing water problems with increased salinisation of water. It's a huge issue because without water we can't live, and obviously the farmers can't survive, and they're unfortunately committing suicide because they can't raise enough money to feed their families. People are unnecessarily taking money from these poor people. Rich people, Vadera as you call them, I think are completely unjust and absolutely inhumane, and I think that there needs to be something needs to be done.
Yes.
Because otherwise people are going to die. The quality of life is terrible. You have this UN treaty which means absolute rubbish, doesn't mean anything, and people are unnecessarily dying because they're miserable and depressed because they can't afford to live, and I think that is an utter travesty. Okay. Something has to be done.
Well, hopefully we'll be talking to you on Sanaland Radio also.
Wow.
So, were you in the medical seminar? What's your name?
My name is Faria.
Okay.
And I think we attended the psychological one.
Oh, that's the medical.
Yeah.
That's the medical.
So we attended the health and environment and history, so all the talks.
And what do you do?
Me, I'm in marketing.
Market selling, okay.
So we publish books and magazines online.
How did you find the Sindhis here?
They're very good, they're very friendly.
Yeah. Did you find any difference between UK Sindhis and Sindhis here?
I would say yes.
They're actually,
I think the thing is that there are a lot of common factors actually in Sindhis as a race and a nation.
Very nice.
But I think the atmosphere here I found was very, 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 very friendly.
Humble.
Everyone seemed very much down to earth.
Very forbearing and very
whereas
humble.
in our Sindhis in UK, I wouldn't criticize them, but
No,
I think
they're not bad.
They're not bad.
They're different because we're English side. So
we're more stuffy actually.
Here there is no Americanization, whereas in England there is Anglicized.
And I think in England we're very sort of conservative, small c. Yeah, we're very conservative.
Well, thank you very, very much.
Many thanks for having us on your radio.